2020 Porsche Taycan gets update to improve acceleration, charging.
Please support us by pressing the like button and subscribing so that this channel will grow and provide many benefits for you. And don't forget to press the bell icon, so that you get notification updates about the latest videos from us. Thank you.
Porsche is rolling out an update to the 2020 Taycan that improves acceleration and charging technology on the EV sedan. With the update, the 2020 Taycan Turbo S, the quickest Taycan available, will see its acceleration from 0 to 124 miles per hour imrpove from a claimed 9.8 seconds to 9.6 seconds. No other Taycan models will see a change in acceleration. On top of that, owners of the 2020 Taycan will also now have access to Porsche's charging planner and an updated navigation system. Many of the features being introduced to the 2020 model in this update are standard on the 2021 Taycan. And although the 2020 Taycan does have the ability to do over-the-air updates, this update will require owners to bring their vehicle into a dealer, as Porsche wants to make sure all the updates are properly installed since they affect power electronics and the motors. The charging planner being introduced to the 2020 Taycan gives owners various options to manage their vehicle's battery, including reducing the charging power from 270 kilowatts to 200 kilowatts and set a specific charging level to stop at. Both of these features will increase the longevity of the Taycan's battery. Draining a battery completely and then refilling it completely can, over time, degrade the battery. Other features included in the update include a more robust navigation system with more in-depth traffic information and continuously updated information on available chargers, including optimizing routes for high-speed chargers. Wireless Apple CarPlay will also be introduced to the updated Taycans, as will SmartLift, a system that automatically raises Taycans with adaptive air suspensions when coming up on speed bumps or steep driveways.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.